This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carolyn Chesser. This beautifully manicured home is as great inside as it is outside. This 3-bed, 2-bath split floor plan home offers a great room with open kitchen, formal dining room and a flex space that could be an office/den or another living room. The master suite offers sliders to the lanai, a large walk-in closet, master bath with dual sinks, walk-in shower and soaking tub. Relax your days away in the very large screened lanai, offering large under-truss space as well as plenty of sun space, and is extremely private. The home has been beautifully updated over the last couple years with new kitchen and bath cabinetry, granite counters, all appliances are new or newer, tile flooring throughout, new paint inside and out. Additional upgrades that has been completed so you don't have to: new roof 2019, new 16 seer air conditioner 2020, new pool heater 2019, lanai rescreened and screws replaced and capped 2020, saltwater pool upgrade 2020, new pool pump 2020, power bidet toilet seats 2020, and just replaced hot water heater. There is a large paved parking apron next to the home for boat or extra car storage behind a privacy gate. For more information, review the details below.